Hello friends! Today we're excited to introduce a simple cash flow calculator in Excel designed to help you quickly assess the efficiency of investment projects. Once you download the file, you'll find all the key components of the calculator on the first sheet. Here's how to get started. Set the planning period. Choose either monthly or early planning. If your project spans multiple years and cash flows are presented in annual terms, select year. If your cash flows are detailed by month, select month. Enter investment costs. Input the total amount of capital required to launch the project. If additional investments are expected over time, include them in the total sum. Define the planning horizon. Specify how many periods your financial model will cover, for example, several months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, etc. Set the discount rate. Typically, this is the opportunity cost of capital. For example, if you could alternatively invest in a bank deposit with a 10% annual return, you can use this as your discount rate. If your planning period is monthly, divide the annual rate by 12. If your planning period is yearly, use the rate as it is. Input your cash flow projections. Enter your expected revenue and operating expenses for each period. The cells for input are highlighted for easy identification. Once you've entered all the necessary data, the calculator will automatically compute key investment indicators, including NPV, net present value, IRR, internal rate of return, PI, profitability index, DPP, discounted payback period. Additionally, the model provides a summary of your project's economic feasibility, helping you make informed investment decisions. This tool is designed for quick financial assessment. Just input your cash flow data and get results instantly. Use promo code STARTNOW to get 25% off your first purchase in our online store. Thank you for your attention.